Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your Redmi 13x. So first, when you're in a call, make sure to check the volume using the side buttons. So you've got these side buttons on the right side of the phone. Now let's increase the volume up. It only works in call though, because you cannot change the call volume in the settings. It's just not available. It's a hidden setting and there's no way to change it other way than just on a call. So then what you guys want to do is go over to settings, and here in these settings go over to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is either disabled, or when you enable the Bluetooth there are no devices connected to your phone. Let's say that your phone may be connected to your headphones, your car, or anything else. So we don't want that. We want to disable the Bluetooth for now and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then right up top we have the earpiece. Now what you guys can do with it is basically clean it with a soft brush. Now after cleaning it, you guys can test it with another call from the phone app. So from the default app in the phone, or from WhatsApp, Instagram, anything that supports the call system. Now if nothing else worked, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now what you guys want to do is slide down to reboot the device. So I'll see you guys once the device is ready to use. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is factory reset the device. So go over to settings and now let them load. Here let's go over to about phone. After going to about phone, scroll down until you guys see factory reset, and here click on erase all data. Now enter your password if you have one, and then first make sure to back it all up and then click on factory reset. Basically everything will be deleted, your contacts, photos, downloaded apps, and your personal information, so make sure to back that up. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.